For this tutorial, I'm going to talk about the pictures. Task 21, right, we're going to import a tree image from the online pictures and place it on the first paragraph of our business plan. So we go back to the files, tutorial files here. This is our business plan. We put the cursor on the first sentence of the paragraph and we go to the ribbon tab here, insert. We click on the online pictures. We key in tree, right, the word tree, and we press enter because we are looking for the clip arts and not the flow graph. And you can see all our flow graph. Let's go put the cursors and on the left hand side. There's a filter icons. We click on it and we select clip art. Okay, now I'm going to select a tree clip art. I'm going to insert it and would like to reduce down the sizes of the image by clicking on the corner here, right, and we drag it to have proper size, right. Okay, the next step is to apply the text wrap around the trees. Right, what is text wrap? Okay, now applying the text wrap, right, will allow the text, the content of the text here to flow along around the images. Okay, let's select the three images, go to the pictures to the ribbon here, right, the tabs here, right, and click on the format. There's we go to the text wrap, click on it, and we apply the square or tag. You can see the difference here. Okay, we're going to apply either the square or tag. Okay, all right, now again selecting the trees, I'd like you to go to the text wraps and you can see that there's a text wrap point. I'd like you to select it and you can, we zoom in, right, you can adjust it point by point, right, you see that? Right. Okay, this by applying the edit wrap points. Okay, let's go to back to the questions here. Task 23, we're going to put a tree to JPEG right on the beginning of our infrastructure paragraph. After we have placed it on the paragraph, right, we're going to crop the image so that only the bottom media tree will be shown. Okay, let's go back to the documents. Right, we look for the our infrastructures. We put the cursors on the first sentence, and we go to the top insert tab. We're going to click on the pictures and go to the documents where the tutorial folder is. We're going to open up the tutorial folder and you will able to see the tree to JPEG. So we're going to select it, we're going to insert it. After you insert and you place it on the document, you will see that there's a pictures tools tab here, right, being activated, and we're going to select the crop tools, and there are 4 points being highlighted right now, and the crop tool being activated. So we click on the corner here, we're going to drag it, right, we're going to zoom in, we're going to crop it. Okay, now being deactivated. Now what you need to do is that if this situations being happen to you, don't worry, no panic. Right, now I have no idea what's the fault here, but what you need to do is that please click on the PDF, right, and click on the documents, and you will be able to select the image again. So Once you select the image, right, the pictures to be highlighted and activated, and you can go and you can select the crop tool again and then do your adjustment. Okay, now I think again, okay, go back to here. Okay, again. All right, back to crop tool again. Crop too much already, so I need to adjust it. All right. Okay, that's it. Okay, now what is the next step? We're going to apply the text wrap, right? Select the image, right? Go to the pictures tool. We're going to click on the text wrap. Okay, we're going to select square. That's it. Task 26. Resize the image to 3 cm height and maintain the aspect ratios. After that, followed by flipping the image horizontally. Go back to the documents, select the image, right, and go to the Pictures Tools tabs. On the right corner, key in 3 cm and press Enter. Okay, it's approximately by 3 cm high and width 2.97 cm. Right. You don't have to worry if you can't get these figures. After that, go to the rotate and flip horizontal.